I beat you. I beat it. I beat the sun. Going to get me some caffeine. And then we gotta go get some wood chips for the puppies. Nah, they're not puppies, but wood chip day. Hooray. Oh, it's pretty cold out this morning. Really glad I wore the flip-flops. Oh, 29 degrees out. Gonna do this quick. I don't even think I have a tarp. Might have some gloves. Ah, no gloves. Come here. Yeah. Super shovel. Yeah. Sunday morning exercise. It's really good that I came after the rainstorm when it's all wet and heavy. In the morning, when it's still partially frozen. Oh yeah, that's the best time to get wood chips. You know, when it's really, really freaking hard. But I just happen to be down this way. Wood chips! Too cold for the flops. For reals. Alright. How are we gonna film this? You guys are gonna ride in the back all the way home. Nailed it. Cheers. Got my breakfast beverages and sawdust all in one go. Heidi ho. Just broke my bed light. Don't lean on those when it's cold, or you'll break it like I did. Dumb shit. Alright. Time to go add some food to these breakfast beverages. We'll unload that a bit later. Morning, Gerald. Gerald the goat's out. Success. We made it home safe. Back on the farm safely. Always a success. Time for jumping. Woof, woof. Guess it's later now. It's a bit later. I regret not building a truck-sized gate that I could have just backed into. But it's keeping me in shape. Lots of free sawdust. Quit looking at me. Just kidding. Stick around. For what? I don't know. This is all the shit I'm doing. Just unloading this. Ugh. So our dogs stop getting so filthy. Ah! We gotta do this every month or so in the summer. Keep the pen healthy, clean up all the poop. A lot of it just dries out in the sawdust and degrades really quickly underneath. The decomposition happens super fast. It's like we got a big compost pile going in their pen, and all the poop just kind of goes down in the bottom. They only really poop in the back of the pen, so. And then they dig and play up here. So it works out pretty good. It's like a rotating compost dog pen with a bunch of free sawdust. If I load it, $30. If they load it, keeps me in shape, like I said. Oh, I should have took this shit out before I did it though. Usually I do. I don't even know why I still carry this thing around. I am still carrying this thing around. The job I did with it ended last week. There goes the other side of the backup light. Or I mean, bed light. Whoops. I don't use that shit anyway. I keep my dome lights off because I leave my doors open all the time. I don't want my battery to die. See, all clean playing area. And then they poop back there. But it takes 2 solid loads of sawdust to fill it up, so need to go get at least one more. But you guys have seen it enough. What is it? Influencer out.